The results of a survey at a certain large college show that proportion of students who own a car is 1 by 4. So we have come across information, make a note. Here 1 by 4 is nothing but the probability of owning a car. So 1 by 4 is nothing but 0.25. Now, for a random sample of n students at the college, the probability that at least one of the students owns a car is greater than 0.995. So let us convert this statement into mathematical form in this way. Here given is probability. Probability is greater than, so greater than symbol 0.995. Okay, now what condition will I write here? That will be decided by this one. At least one. At least one means one or more than one. Mathematically we write in this way. R greater than or equal to 1. Clear so far? Now, find the least possible value of n. So we need to find the value of n. Okay, now here I should get the idea of using binomial distribution, and the formula for binomial distribution is NCR p power r 1 minus p power n minus r. So I should know the value for n, r and p. So n is what we need to find out. P is 0.25. And now let us decide the values for r. So r is greater than or equal to 1. So r starts from 1, 2, 3, so on up to n. I get many values for r. So to decrease the values for r, I should do this step, and that step is C. I should do 1 minus. So whenever you are doing 1 minus, write opposite of this condition over here. So here r is greater than 1, so make it less than 1. Here equal to is present, so you don't put equal to here. Clear? We do 1 minus, then in the bracket we write opposite of the condition. Now what will be the value for r? R is less than 1, so r value will be 0. By doing this step, I have decreased the value for r. Okay. Now, greater than 0.995. Now, all the numbers one side and this to the other side. So, I get 1 minus 0.995. Here it is negative. When you are shifting, it will become positive. R less than 1. Now, 1 minus 0.995 will be 0.005, greater than. Here r less than 1 means r is 0. Okay. Now, 0.005. Now, r is 0. Replace r equal to 0 in this formula. What do we get? C. We get NC0 into P is 0.25 power 0 into 1 minus P power n minus 0. Did you understand? I have replaced r equal to 0 in this. Okay. Now, see man, NC0 is 1. You should know this. NC0 is 1, even NCN will also be 1. So here now power 0 is also 1. So I am left with only this. So 0.005 greater than. 1 minus 0.25 is 0.75 power n. So now by trial and error method, I can get the value for n, or I will use logarithms in this way. See, n will be log. Here 0.75 is the base, so for logarithm also 0.75 will be the base, and this number over here. So put this in the calculator. You get 18 point some change. So now you need to decide whether the n value will be 18 or 19. How do you decide that? Means by replacing it in the inequality. So when I replace n equal to 18, 0.005 greater than 0.75 power 18. Now put this in the calculator and check whether this value is less than this or not. It's not satisfying the inequality, so n equal to 18 is rejected. So automatically n equal to 19 is accepted, so value for n is 19. If you wish to confirm, place it in this inequality and you can check. Okay.